I'm so grateful and I pray that Hi my love, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, my name is Oyinlola. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. And if you're a subscriber, you and I, thank you so much for coming back. So today, if you can, I don't know if you can feel the energy, I'm really excited and I'm really happy. And if you're following me on my TikTok, you know that I've been house hunting for a while. I've been looking for house and I went through a lot in Lagos, but eventually we got the place. I've been showing you guys the whole process like on TikTok. Go check out my TikTok video if you've not. And today I'll be going there to, you know, just give you guys a tour of the apartment. I'm really excited because I've been manifesting for this for a long period of time and it is here. I could feel it and I can't wait to, you know, move in. I feel like they're done with the apartment, but at the same time I'm not really sure. And today I will take you guys along with me to show you guys my apartment. So come with me. Hi guys, so I'm here. I'm at the apartment. I'll just take you guys around for you guys to see how the new place look like. So this is the room. I don't know, I think my bed will be at this side. My bed will be here. Yeah, my bed will be here. The table will be here as well. I'll put a table here. And I'll put like some wall frame here. And there will be a table here as well. So this is the kitchen. I really like the kitchen. The guy did a very good job, but they haven't cleaned it yet. They just finished painting. So yeah, this is the kitchen, and then the toilets. They're not 100% done because there's no light and water here. And here, I'm going to make this space. I'll change the color of this paint to like a different color, and here will be where my wardrobe will be here. So I'll put the wardrobe here. If you've gotten to this part of the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I really love the guy. The room is echoey. I don't know why I forgot my mic for one reason or the other. But I'm so grateful and I pray that whatever each and every one of you is looking for, you're going to achieve it. All your goals will come to reality. Everything you've been manifesting for, everything you've been visualizing, everything is going to come to your reality. I pray that whatever you're looking for will come to you. And I'm so grateful for this. This is like a new era for me, a new beginning. I'm so proud of myself. I've come so far and I'm here. I'm really excited. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.